Hello, everyone. I'm Lisa. Today, we have a very important lesson. We are learning 10 medical words you must know for real life. If you feel sick or have an emergency, these words will help you talk to a doctor. First, we learn the word. Then, we practice a sentence. And finally, we have a quiz. Let's get started. Let's begin our practice session. Stretcher. A bed with wheels for moving sick people. Listen to the sentence. He is too weak to walk. We need a stretcher. Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Doctor. A professional person who treats sick people. Listen to the sentence. I feel very sick. I need to see a doctor. Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Nurse. A person who helps the doctor and cares for you. Listen to the sentence. Excuse me, nurse. Can I have some water? Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Bandage. A cloth used to cover a cut or an injury. Listen to the sentence. My knee is bleeding. Do you have a bandage? Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Medicine. Something you take to feel better. Listen to the sentence. What time do I need to take my medicine? Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Clinic. A place you go for medical help, smaller than a hospital. Listen to the sentence. Is there a clinic near the hotel? Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Fever. When your body is too hot because you are sick. Listen to the sentence. I feel very hot. Do I have a fever? Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. X-ray. A special photo of the bones inside your body. Listen to the sentence. The X-ray shows that my arm is not broken. Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Waiting room. A place to sit before you see the doctor. Listen to the sentence. Please wait for me in the waiting room. Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. Emergency. A serious problem that needs help right now. Listen to the sentence. Help! This is an emergency! Call 911. Now it's your turn to practice. Speak out loud. It's quiz time. I will describe a word and you tell me what it is. You have 5 seconds for each question. Good luck! This is used by paramedics to carry patients who can't walk. What is it? A. Chair. B. Stretcher. C. Table. The answer is B. Stretcher. This is a serious situation where you need help immediately. What is it? A. Party. B. Emergency. C. Holiday. The answer is B. Emergency. What is this special photo? It shows the bones inside your body. A. Drawing. B. X-ray. C. Map. The answer is B. X-ray. Look at the thermometer. It shows a high temperature. What is this? A. Fever. B. Cold. C. Headache. The answer is A. Fever. What is this place called? It's smaller than a hospital, but you go there for checkups. A. Store. B. Clinic. C. Park. The answer is B. Clinic. Next one. Who is this? They work with the doctor to take care of you. A. Teacher. B. Nurse. C. Driver. The answer is B. Nurse. Who is this person? They wear a white coat and help you get better. A. Pilot. B. Chef. C. Doctor. The answer is C. Doctor. What do we call this? You put it on your skin if you have a small cut. A. Bandage. B. Hat. C. Towel. The answer is A. Bandage. Where is this? This is the place you sit before you see the doctor. A. Bedroom. B. Kitchen. C. Waiting room. The answer is C. Waiting room. Final question. Can you name this? You might take these pills or liquid to feel better. A. Food. B. Candy. C. Medicine. The answer is C. Medicine. Great job today. You're now one step closer to speaking English with confidence. Which word from today's lesson was the most useful for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and follow for more daily English practice. I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!